So let's take a look at how you can add MailChimp newsletter block from Atomic blocks in your WordPress install. So what we're going to do is, first thing, we're going to download this plugin named Atomic blocks. Okay, so you can download from here, official WordPress site, or you can go to your dashboard, then plugins, add new, and on that plugins page you will find option to add that plugin. Okay, so simply type in Atomic blocks and it should be displayed here. Okay, then you may have option for installing that. In my case it's just update because I already have it. Okay, now next thing to do would be to open a page. Let's go with all pages and check one page out, and out of that let's select sample page. Okay, now let me just delete this block. There is already one block here. Okay, now to add our MailChimp newsletter block, you can click on add block and then type in email newsletter from Atomic blocks. Simply click on that. Okay, now here you have to provide the API keys for the block. To configure that, simply click on that. Make sure to save your page. Now in Atomic blocks you have this MailChimp API key. Currently Atomic blocks only support MailChimp, so you have to add this API key from here. You can get it in your MailChimp's settings and then API keys. Okay, save those settings, and after that you can come back to the page, all pages, sample page. Okay, and after that let me just delete this block, email newsletter. Okay, and okay, now update this. Okay, and here you can see this page's entire horizontal width is taken by this email newsletter block. Okay, if you want to have more easy to view page, then you can instead choose a post. Okay, so I'm gonna do this on post. Let's go ahead with text alignment post. Okay, now here I want to go at the bottom of the page and remove these two blocks, and at the end I'm going to add block, and here I'm going to update this and view the post. Okay, now let's look at the bottom. Here you see your MailChimp newsletter block added at the bottom of page. You get the idea how to install Atomic blocks plugin, then add the newsletter block in post or page.